When a customer buys from your dropshipping store and that product is sourced from Spocket, what happens if they need a refund? This is a question that every new dropshipper asks, and the answer isn't as simple as you might think. It's not a one-size-fits-all policy because you're dealing with multiple suppliers. Here's the thing, Spocket doesn't have a universal refund policy for every single product on its platform. Instead, each supplier sets their own return and refund rules. So, before you add any item to your store, you need to check the specific supplier's policy. This is super important because it directly impacts your ability to handle returns for your own customers. So, how do you find this information? When you're browsing products on Spocket, the supplier's refund policy is usually listed right on the product page. You need to look for this section and understand the details. Some suppliers may offer a full refund within a certain number of days, while others might have a no-refund policy, especially for things like custom-made items. Now, what if a customer receives a damaged or incorrect product? This is a common dropshipping issue. In these cases, Spocket acts as an intermediary. They have a streamlined process to help you. You'll need to collect evidence from your customer, like photos or videos of the damaged item, and then contact Spocket's support team. Spocket will then communicate with the supplier on your behalf to get the issue resolved, which can lead to a refund or a replacement. Spocket even has the right to override a supplier's policy in extreme cases, like when an item is significantly delayed or wrong. This is a huge benefit of using the platform. It's also important to distinguish between product refunds and your Spocket subscription. If you want to cancel your Spocket subscription, that's a different story. For monthly plans, you can cancel at any time, but you won't get a refund for the current billing cycle. For annual plans, these are generally non-refundable once the payment has been processed. So, if you're on a paid plan and decide to cancel, you'll still have access to the service until the end of your billing period, but you won't be charged again. In short, the Spocket refund policy for products is really a collection of individual supplier policies. Always check the specific product page for details. For your own subscription, the policy is that refunds are generally not offered for either monthly or annual plans once payment is processed. The key takeaway is to be proactive. Know your supplier's policies, and if an issue arises with an order, follow Spocket's clear process for resolution. It's all about being prepared and transparent with your customers.